Hey guys, it's 7/15/2014. I was here the other day, called for attic fan making noise, found the motor to be shot. So I picked up a new motor yesterday and got here early, start Tuesday morning when it's not too hot up in this attic, but it's not that bad. It's just a little mucky, humid today. So I'm just replacing the motor, and I'm gonna replace that thermostat. Um, I'm not gonna get involved with the roof, and there's nothing wrong with the fan and everything else. So let me get at it. Alright guys, well, I got the motor mounted, um, put it on the bracket, did all the wiring, mounted this thermostat. I go to put the power on, and if you ever played with one of these, when it gets to that temperature, it's supposed to click and turn on. Well, this is dead out of the box. So I just reused the existing thermostat. There was nothing wrong with that. The call was attic fan making noise. It was burnt up and seized up when I got here. So there's nothing wrong with reusing it. There's no problem with that. Instead of running to the supply house for this stupid thing, there's nothing wrong with keeping that old one. All right. Well, right now it's off. I like to set my, can't really see it. Gotta straddle this to get a good shot, but that's the existing thermostat. So the new wiring and the new motor mounted. It's not currently on because it's not above 90 degrees. I have them set at 90. This one actually has a humidity setting too, but I just left it in off position. It doesn't matter what the humidity is up here, just the temperature. So that's it. So it should come on when it gets 90 or plus up here. Alright guys, check you later. Like, subscribe, and comment please. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys. I come to the conclusion, well not the conclusion, but it's a fact, that when either the thermostat or, well, usually if the thermostat's bad, I replace the motor, being for the attic fan. But when I come to a attic fan and a motor shot, it's cheaper, believe it or not, to buy the entire box the housing, the motor, the blade, the wiring, and thermostat. It's cheaper to buy this whole setup than it is to actually buy, say, a motor by itself and a thermostat by itself. So, a little suggestion to you guys: if you come across an attic fan and you got to replace the motor, it's cheaper to buy the entire setup. You know, you don't have to mess with the roof or the flashing or anything like that if it's not busted. And you just add that to the scrap pile, or keep it for, I don't know, whatever reasons. Alright guys, check you later.